Hey, what is up guys, it's Haptic here, and today I want to talk about something for the PC players for Call of Duty Modern Warfare. If you have the sound issue where you have crackling sound, maybe static sound, here's a way to fix it, because I had this too. It gave me a headache and it was really annoying. So just back out of the game and you go to your sound settings, sound. Then you go to the sound settings. Then you have this Windows 10 sound settings app. You want to go to your configuration of your sound. This is like the Windows 7 sound thingy. This is what you want to have in front of you. Then go to your headphones. Go to properties. If you go to properties, go to advanced. Normally this is set on 44,100 hertz. If you have that, you have clicking sound. Maybe you can hear it now. If I upload, now I can't change it anymore. But if you have it on 2 bits, 2 channel, go to something like 96,000 hertz. It depends on your speakers and your headphones what you can choose. So try something out. If you change it, go okay, just back out of it, go back into the game, and most of the time it's solved. If it's not solved, let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, give a thumbs down. And if you have some cool Modern Warfare clips, I want to make a top 10 video, so send it into the email linked in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.